Hey guys, Bob Wong, licensed acupuncturist here, and today's video is going to be about tinnitus, or tinnitus as they call it in Australia, depending on where you live. I've been getting a lot of requests and direct messages and comments from social media about tinnitus ringing in the ears. Currently, with acupuncture, I haven't seen too many consistent results, but I saw a post on Facebook the other day from one of my teachers that I've studied under, Dr. James Liu, and he posted something interesting. So it was this post here, actually. So one was suboccipital release, which we'll go over, and another technique that we learned in Chinese medicine school. It's one of the exercises, which is playing heaven's drum. So we're kind of flicking the back of your head here. So from the conversations I've had with other physios, a lot of tinnitus ringing in the ears is related to the neck, problems with the neck. So particularly C1, which is right where the base of your skull and your neck meet. So a really great point for that is gallbladder 20. This point right here, it's actually called gallbladder 20. It meets right where your trap and your SCM muscle meets, right at the apex, right where the top where you can't go anymore. So you're just going to take two thumbs here, and you're going to knead the back of these two spots, right where your SCM muscle meets. This is your SCM muscle that runs all the way up to the back, for those of you who don't know. And this is your trap muscle. You just trace it all the way back up here. Use your thumbs, and you're just releasing all throughout these neck muscles here. These are called the suboccipital muscles, and they connect directly to your neck. So if you have some neck problems, that may be the cause of the ringing in the ears. And you just using your thumbs gently, just kneading through here, and you will feel some very, very tender, achy, sore spots. And you just hold it, and you find a sore spot, you just kind of release through there as well. You can also just release toward the center of the spine as well. Look for any tender spots. You can move around here, even toward here, toward the ear as well. For me, that's very, very sore. And you're just doing this for probably about a minute, 30 seconds if this is your first time. And you can do that for up to a minute, even 2 minutes actually, but try 1 minute if this is your first time. So the other thing is, this one's called playing heaven's drum. Actually, this was a qigong exercise that we learned in school. I actually don't know where Chinese people came up with this stuff, but I guess they didn't have cell phones back then or social media, so they had to experiment and find different ways for different ailments, but they found consistently that is what they did. So this is what you do. You take your two fingers, and same thing, just like in the picture, you're kind of flicking the back of your occiput, the back of your head. So you're going here, and you're just flicking. And you can do that probably about half a minute. And you can alternate between releasing those, that GB20 point, and flicking the back of your head. So give this a try. Please let me know if it works. And make sure to leave a comment and let me know.